Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best budget swimming goggles in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Aegend Swimming Goggles. Si usted es un nadador de vuelta casual, la playa gafas legend es perfecta para usted. Junto con su botón de liberación rápida situado, las gafas cuentan con un sistema de carrillas sencillo que hace que se sientan cómodos en el submarino. El Aegend se puede comparar a un par regular de gafas, con la única diferencia de sus bordes afilados, únicas. Poseen propiedades anti-niebla y tienen un estilo que varía significativamente de muchas tradicionales gafas de natación. Tu Aegend produjo copas nunca están demasiado apretados. Encajan apenas a la derecha y, como resultado, han ganado popularidad en todo el mundo, entre individuos que odian conseguir los ojos de mapache, mientras que el uso de productos similares de diferentes marcas. Hay más de gafas de natación del Legend que cumplen el ojo. En primer lugar, estas gafas de natación se construyen a partir de una silicona flexible marco para el máximo confort. También cuenta con una nueva diseño mejorado paisa nasal que no deja la nariz con rayas rojas y terribles dolores. Sin dejar a la niebla con Aegend. Estas gafas tienen una mejorada antibajo capacidad gracias al uso de la última tecnología medioambiental utilizada para cubrir sus superficies interiores. El revestimiento es ambientalmente reconocido como seguro y no representa una amenaza a su cara. También cuentan con lentes extra fuertes, fabricados con policarbonato. Estas lentes son resistentes y pueden soportar cualquier forma de presión. Las Legend gafas de natación son simplemente increíbles. Su habilidad bien diseñada ahora el cabello se salga, como se cuida las gafas. Number 2. Our second best pick is Zionor Swimming Goggles. When it comes to versatility and functionality, there are many things toZionor appreciates about these swimming goggles. First, they are equipped with special lenses polarized to better protect the eyes, especially when enjoying swimming outdoors. They are extremely flexible and comfortable to wear and button are formed with a double belt, so they are totally adjustable. This feature provides a tangle-free experience, but also making sure that your glasses are strongly positioned thanks to additional slip tape. Design is no fogging and sealed with a sport looks and feels. Silicone is non-toxic high quality that is padded for optimum comfort and has an extraordinary meeting of the nose which it developed ergonomically designed for a better fit and feel. Number 3. Our third best pick is Speedo Vanquisher toZionor Mirrored Swimming Goggle. Speedo is another fantastic brand known worldwide for the production of swimwear high quality and speed. Speedo 2.0 The winner is the first of many models of glasses manufacture and is one of the most popular competing models used worldwide by swimming goggles. This mirror may be swimming goggles for swimmers too dark indoor pools use, and its size can also be for others too small. But many swimmers fall in love at first sight with its aerodynamic design. The popularity these of professional swimming among swimmers is mainly due to its features. The great vision devices have panoramic angle lenses, and the lenses are designed to cover the range of vision to raise afloat once it is carried. In addition, all pads Victor 2.0 are built with silicone seals for comfort. These glasses are suitable for all kinds of floats, this also with allergy problems. Universal these glasses is made possible by its design, which it does not use materials like PVC and latex allow. Deal Float with more selection of Winners 2.0 offers 4 different styles, the smoking blue/white light and navy blue. These styles are designed to fit different personalities of all swimmers, and also offer a great very low profile. Each winner's number of options is just fantastic. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Speedo Skoogle Kids Swim Goggles. Swimming is a great sport for their children to attend once possible. Not only a lot of fun, but it is fantastic exercise and will help the confidence in and around the water. Like not all children carry a sense of spectacle. However, it is absolutely necessary for early development to keep your eyes safe and protected from UV light and water itself. Speedo is thought of by children and anatomy. It is also easy to adjust and make convenient for them, and with these glasses for children's goggles, they have an adjusting GO. This provides a convenient and comfortable eye lotion that protects completely without limiting them. They also have anti-fog and UV protection. Added lenses one would expect to find in the pair of high-quality adult goggles. They're floating frames made of a soft flexible piece that is again comfortable for children to wear. They are available in a range fun and modern colors, every personality fit. Goggles glasses free of latex, the good news is, and feature an innovative and easy will adjust the lateral release strap to manage. Your children will be able even. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Speedo Hydrospex Swimming Goggles. Another member of the Speedo family finds its way into our list recommendations, and for good reason. It is the Speedo Swim Hydrospex Safety Goggles. Unlike the Winner 2.0, built for professional use and competition, swimming goggles are the best. Speedo Hydrospex Leisure Swimming Goggles. They are designed and manufactured. Increase every time you go to swim. The fun, split from its head soft silicone belt to a hypoallergenic structure flexible one piece that can comfortably against his face. Never miss a moment of fun with this submarine couple. The eyes-framed Hydrospex is made of PVC and belts are offered made of silicone with a system speed in head strap fit his style. Lexan lens is used to this swimming in the manufacture. Accessories are unbreakable and can rough swimming withstand diseases that are hide by such quality features. With Hydrospex glasses, swimmers benefit greatly from the most generous and universal fit from their eye sockets. The eye adjustment function outside of it glasses enhance your comfort. The shape of the seal is high drops like all other models Speedo, and this function returns a maximum safety and reliability swimmers. Some additional features that these glasses have are your mirror lens cutting glare, anti-fog treatment and UV protected lenses, and the guarantee of a manufacturing defect 6 months refeed a user purchase. This also makes a perfect gift for swimmers in his life. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.